In a bowl, add 3 eggs, pinch of salt, 150 grams of sugar. Ten grams of vanilla sugar. $50 milliliters of oil, 100 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of flour. To that, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 30 grams of cocoa powder. $500 grams of vanilla pudding. Bake it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified for whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!